This is the problem with these people. Specialized. That's a 1990 Specialized. 579, 569, 559. Looks like it's came down a little. There's an idiot on a bicycle wearing a mask. That's a cool deck. Crystal World, Lincoln. $100. That's not bad. We got the Celebrity Eclipse. We got over here. We'll get closer to that and check it out. See what it says. Well, halibut, chips, and clams. We got clams, dungeons, and cocktails scratched out. What is that? Tamsin? Georgetown? Georgetown. That's a nice boat, but you know, you just can't single hand that.